1:30 Newton County deputies responded to the Walmart here behind us in reference to a person shot. When they entered inside, they located two gentlemen with gunshot wounds. The one gentleman was deceased. One was in critical condition. And then another call came in of another person shot over on Emerson Trail. What the investigation revealed was that Mr. Uda, which is going to be the shooter, was inside the store. All three of them are employees. Mr. Uda left the store, retrieved a handgun, re-entered the store, located a Mr. Khalif Barksdale, age 21 of Covington, and shot that gentleman. He then went up a couple more aisles. He located Ryan Bradley, age 29 of Covington, and shot that gentleman. Mr. Uda then left, went to a house on Emerson Trail, forced entry into the house, located a female whose name is Akila Clark, age 19, and shot her. From what we can understand is all four of them were employees here at Walmart. All four of them are acquaintances. Mr. Uda then left the scene, went I-20 eastbound towards Aiken, South Carolina, where he pulled over onto the side of the road. Newton County deputies happened to locate a phone number for him and was talking to him on the phone. He pulled off to the side of the road. They negotiated that he was going to turn himself in. When Aiken, South Carolina Sheriff's Office and South Carolina State Patrol located the gentleman, he then shot himself. Mr. Uda is currently in a hospital in Augusta in critical condition. Ryan Bradley is currently in the local hospital in critical condition.
What is the first and last name of Mr. Uda?
Mr. Uda is
first and last name spelling, please.
Dwayne, D-W-A-Y-N-E, Uda, E-D-U-H.
And what was his role here? Do you know what he did at Walmart?
From what we understand, all of them were employees here at Walmart.
You talked about them being acquaintances.
We don't know a motive at this time.
So what was the relationship?
They're just all I know is that they were acquaintances and they all worked here at Walmart.
We're hearing that there might have been some sort of altercation between the people inside this Walmart. What can you tell us about that?
We have not heard anything about an altercation at this time. It's like I say, as you can understand, it's still a very active investigation. We got 3 different scenes that we're working at this time.
Where did Mr. Uda shoot himself? Where did Mr. Uda shoot himself?
In his car?
No, but where on his body?
I have no idea.
The mother of the young girl who was shot said he shot at her 6, 7, 8 times, and she said that he didn't point the gun at anyone else. He knew what he was coming for. How premeditated was this, or did this?
I can't comment on that.
Have you contacted Walmart about any reports of issues concerning Mr. Uda in the past?
We're not familiar with that. I'm pretty sure that the investigators are going to look into that if there's anything there.
Does he have any history with law enforcement?
I can't comment on that. I don't know.
One of the things the family members brought up was the time it took to respond to the shooting, the one at Emerson Trail. Do you have any information about how long it took for police, for law enforcement, for the ambulance to arrive?
I do not, but I can tell you, when this call came up, it came up as an active shooter. So you know when there's an active shooter, everybody responds to the active shooter. When they were here, I believe another call came up of a person shot, which was down the road. So at that time, what deputies here could leave this scene responded to that scene.
Did you describe this as an active shooter or targeted?
No, it's not an active shooter, but that's the way it came out, was an active shooter. And of course, when it comes out, we all respond.
We'll take one more question.
I have a question. So it took 29 minutes to leave from Walmart a mile away for her to 245 Emerson to my house. 29 minutes it took you guys to come to my house.
Okay, we're not familiar with that, but we will check into that with 911 and find out exactly how many minutes were there.
It's 29 odd minutes. Because I called and my daughter called. She was on the phone for 29 minutes.
Okay, like I said, we will check into that and see and make sure that's correct. Okay?
Is Walmart still considered an active crime scene for investigation and closed until further notice?
Right now, everything's still an active investigation, and Walmart will be closed for the rest of the evening.
Okay, that's all the questions we're going to take.
want to follow up with something though really quick, because this is the first time a shooting has happened in this Walmart.
Okay, I want to stop you.
What's the what do we know about this Walmart? What's being done to secure it?
We're not going to talk about previous incidents. We are here to talk about the incident that happened
I think
today.
it's a culmination of a couple. So if there's more than one shooting that's happening in the area, what's police doing to help deter it, even though this happened inside and outside? They went to this woman's house and shot her daughter. So my question is, what are we doing to prevent other shootings from happening in this location?
Well, we're not familiar with other shootings at this location. We're here to discuss what happened last night. We will look into everything else, and if we find out anything's going on, then we'll address that with you about anything else that's happened here.
From the time the shooting occurred to when you made contact with District in South Carolina, about how long was that?
I couldn't tell you. I don't know what the timeline is. Like I say, it's still an active investigation. They're still working on everything. I don't know.
That's all the questions we're going to take.
Thank you.